What's up, guys? It's Brian from Hashware Hub. It's about 11:08 a.m. Eastern Time, January 30th, 2018, coming to you with a brand new trading video. This one's going to be on Litecoin and Litecoin only. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, upvote, re-Steam if you guys are on Steemit and or DTube. If not, links are down below. Definitely get on there. Same thing with our Facebook team. Link is down below there too. It doesn't cost you anything. There's a lot of great information there. So let's get into it here. This is Litecoin. This is the 4-hour chart on Poloniex data. And one thing I want to show you is exactly this right here. So this greenish line is going up. This is just the C and the D line. Actually, the D line. But the red line here, the red bottom line here, is actually the line for this triangle that we had drawn some time ago, and the market has pierced through it, and it seems as if it's going to be trying to come back up again. My estimation is it's going to continue to go down, but possibly it could look to go back up again and try to make an E right here. So we're going to call this a D in the event that possibly this comes back up and makes an E. But one thing I wanted to show, which is of note, is that this candle comes down and it kisses this line right here, okay? And it obviously happened here too. But what I want to show you where this line was drawn from, we drew this line a while ago. And it's coming from all the way back here, because remember we were trying to estimate how frothy, how overbought the market became. So I thought it was interesting to note that, and again, it's one of the reasons why we keep a lot of these lines around for quite some time, because this is a support level, as I had mentioned before in the past. Next support level is right here at about $160. That's assuming it gets through this one right here at about $165 approximately. And then obviously the next one would be here would be this dashed line, but who knows when that's going to happen, because who knows where we are going to be in time with respect to time. There's a few others that are drawn here and some that I've drawn more recently, especially this one right here. This is a Fibonacci level, and this is a Fibonacci level too, all taken from the absolute bottom. So these levels may come into play if the market continues to fall down, falls down drastically. Especially this one right here. This one right here is about $121 approximately. So, there's not really much to say with regards to Litecoin without including Bitcoin, because they trade in a very similar fashion. So let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. We just did a Bitcoin video too. So since our Bitcoin video, the market had come down here a bit, and now it's coming back up. I think when we did the video, it was closer to this 10,379 level. But the market had come down here almost to this blue line. It could have actually even hit the blue line, depending on how you want to look at it. So unless the market kind of makes a real run back up here to get back over this support level, I think we may possibly be seeing kind of some lower lows here. Also here as well, if you look at that Bitcoin video, we're looking possibly for an ABC correction where this would have 5 waves down. If this has 5 waves down, then obviously Litecoin is going to come down too. Okay, Litecoin is going to come down too. So where would Litecoin come down to? Probably around this level around here. Let's call it 116. Or it could possibly stop somewhere around here. There's 121. So it depends on where in time, if it's going to either hit this blue line, or it's actually going to go ahead and hit this support line here of about $121, 120, 121. So difficult to say what's going to happen, but we're going to start obviously counting the Elliott waves to see where we are spatially in as far as price is concerned. So we're going to leave it there for right now. Let us know if you have any questions, any concerns, and happy trading. Actually, I lied. We're not done yet. One other further thing people have been asking us about is a QQE indicator. For some reason, it wasn't on the chart. For some reason, TradingView must have had it fall off the chart. But you could see here, it basically crossed over right about this point right here, and it's still -2. So, all right, now it's over. Seem to be rather absentee-minded with regards to this lately. But yeah, happy trading.